Hi, it's Nick at Jordanbikes and welcome to another of our videos selling newer bikes. So this one is Panigale 1199. Absolutely gorgeous bike. We're filming this in high definition, so if you want to press the button in that corner of your screen, you can watch it and listen to it in HD. So this is a 2012 12 plate. As you know, these come with the adjustable traction control, engine braking, Quickshifter, power modes and ABS, and the full colour dashboard. It's done 5,039 miles from new, that's all. Hardly been used at all, and it's got some sweet sounding Termignoni pipes. It's also got a Ducati seat cowl as well, just finishes off that rear end a little bit. So if you want to have a look at the dashboard, Mr. Cameraman, you can see what we've got. Not much to say about Panigales, they are just an absolute work of art, beautiful. This one, you may notice the clock says 0. As with a lot of Panigales, this one had an issue where the clocks cracked across the middle. It was a problem on these. And it's just had a brand new set of clocks at Ducati Manchester with 0 mileage. All been documented, so it's not a problem at all. I'm going to start it up so you can have a quick listen to it. Fantastic, and I think this one, yeah, it's got a partial venture shield as well, probably the reason it's been kept so mint, it's just spotless. If you fancy it, give us a shout. Thanks for watching. Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.